Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Ram.
By the causeless mercy of Guru and Vaishnavas, and by the mercy of Srila Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, we are here now in Alarnath. Sorry, you said something about Srila Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada. I said that by his mercy, but I couldn't even understand actually. The sound was very low. So again, by the mercy of, causeless mercy of Guru Vaishnava, and by the mercy of Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada Jagannath, we are here in Alarnath, a place inside the Jagannath Puri Dham Parikrama, like it's inside Jagannath Puri also, like the area of Jagannath Puri. So he is also called Brahma Parvat. Here in Satyayuga, Lord Brahma did austerities. And in some kalpa, he did some fire sacrifice. So this is a very dear place to God, like Lord's dear place here.
भगवान के अत्यंत प्रिय स्थान है.
So this is a very dear place to Lord, especially here.
भगवान
Swayam
पर रह करके
he came here and
वृंदावन की अनेकों जो है लीला आदि के प्रकाश किया,
manifested many leelas of Lord in so much remembrance.
उनकी अनेकों जो है लीला आदि के प्रकाश किया. भगवान के अत्यंत प्रिय स्थान है.
So this is a very dear place to Lord, Lord's dear place here.
रह करके
So Bhagavan stayed here and
वृंदावन की अनेकों जो है लीला आदि के प्रकाश
he manifested
स्मृति जगाया.
he manifested many leelas of Vrindavan here in remembrance of all these leelas, remembering these leelas of Vrindavan.
इस कथा की प्रसंग इस
So in this context of Hari Katha,
अलालनाथ.
so he is Alalnath.
अलाल शब्द की
Alal means
साउथ इंडियन
in
लैंग्वेज
the South Indian language means Divya Sharir, divine,
सूर्य माने भगवान की
divine body,
जैसे हम
or like the
साउथ इंडियन
in the South Indian language. Alarnath, Alar means Divya Sharir or
सूर्य कहा जाता है. सूर्य माने
Suri,
भगवान के जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ लॉर्ड,
some representative of Lord.
जैसे हम गुरु कहते हैं.
Like for example, the Guru,
उसी प्रकार
just like the Guru.
दक्षिण देश की भाषा
So in
के
the South Indian language,
यहाँ पर अलालनाथ,
so Alalnath,
स्वयं भगवान की जो है परिकर व उनके प्रियजन कहा जाता है.
So Alalnath is referring to the associates of Lord or his dears, no, like the persons who are dear to God.
जैसे हम गुरुदेव के भगवान
For
के
example,
प्रियजन कहते हैं. साक्षात
we say that Gurudeva is so dear to Lord.
बतैव सद्भि किंतु प्रभुर जो प्रिय वचस्य वंदे गुरु श्री चरणारविंद. उसी प्रकार
So in this way,
यहाँ पर जो है
here,
दक्षिण देश की भाषा के अनुसार,
according to the language of South India,
इंडियन लैंग्वेज के अनुसार कहा जाता है दिव्यश्री भी कहा जाता है. और उनके नाथ, उनके प्रभु स्वयं भगवान विष्णु कहा जाता है.
so Alalnath means the Lord's Nath of those who are these very dear to Lord, who has like this transcendental devotees like this. So he's Lord, Alalnath, like their Lord of the associates
कथा प्रसंग
of
इस
Lord.
प्रकार वर्णन है जी. कोई ब्राह्मण जो है,
So there's some story about some
सेवा
Brahmana
आदि करते थे.
who he used to serve the deity.
और ठाकुर जी की सेवा किया तो
So he
बहुत
served the
साल
deity
भजन आदि करने लगे.
and he was doing bhajan for many years.
भजन आदि देख करके संग लक्ष्मी
Seeing
देवी
his bhajan, Lakshmi Devi herself became amazed.
संग लक्ष्मी देवी विष्णु
Lakshmi Devi told to Vishnu, Prabhu, you're a great devotee, he's doing sadhana for 1,000 years. Take him from material world and bring him here.
कहने लगे.
And then Bhagavan told,
समय के बाद हम
after more time, like after some time I bring him.
परिपक्व हुआ ही नहीं।
because he's not ripened yet. Like his bhajan, he's not still ripened. He's not ripened. He's not mature yet. Not mature. Then
कहीं पर भगवान विष्णु
Lakshmi Devi,
ने
she told this,
उनको कृपा दी की
and Bhagavan
यहाँ
Vishnu
पर
gave
इस
mercy
प्रकार
to him.
वर्णन है,
So there's some description
एक
that
भक्त जो है वो भगवान के जो है मणि मन जो है खीर प्रसाद लगाया।
some devotee was
शास्त्र में
offering
भगवत सेवा की
sweet
दो प्रकार
rice
सेवा बताया गया।
to Lord in his mind.
एक
So
है
Shastra explains two
साक्षात
kinds of
सेवा और
service:
एक है मानसिक।
directly service and mind service, like mental service,
तो
service
मानसिक
in your
सेवा
mind.
के द्वारा भी भगवान प्रसन्न हो
So
जाते
God
हैं।
also becomes
भक्ति
pleased by the
रसामृत सिंधु
mental
में
service, service in your mind. In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami Pada says
कोई व्यक्ति
that if any
मानसिक में
person
भगवान की
serves
सेवा
the
करे,
Lord in his
भगवान उसकी
mind,
सेवा
Bhagavan
स्वीकार कर
accepts this service.
तो भक्त ने क्या कि
So the devotee, what did he do?
जब कोई सभा में गए
He went to some
और इस
assembly or
प्रकार की
somewhere,
सुना,
and then
मानसिक रूप में सेवा करने भगवान भी ले लेते।
said he heard that even if we serve Lord with our mind, God accepts. So one day this devotee was thinking, oh, I want to offer kheer, like sweet rice, to Thakurji. So in his mind, he
वस्त्र आदि
put very beautiful clothes in garments in the deity after giving bath to the deity, and in his mind also the devotee offered kheer to the deity.
अच्छा खीर भोग लगा करके विचार करने लगे,
And then he thought,
ये इस खीर को जो है ठाकुर जी को कैसे दिया जाए,
how can I give this kheer to the deity? It's so
ठाकुर की जिह्वा में लग नहीं जाए।
it's so hot, maybe it will burn the mouth of the deity. So the devotee,
लगाया
first he put his finger in the kheer to see if it was too hot.
है, और ऐसे में ठाकुर जी की करे तो एक बूंद भी ठाकुर जी के बक्सर पड़ गई।
No, sorry, actually the deity put first the finger, sorry.
इसलिए देखो वो भक्त ने क्या कि अपने उंगली लगाया।
Yeah, the devotee put,
उनके जगह ठाकुर जी है, बोले देखो है, और ऐसे में ठाकुर जी की करे तो एक बूंद भी ठाकुर जी के बक्सर पड़ गई। बाबी वो पुजारी दिखाया ना है ठाकुर जी को कैसे दिया जाए,
so
गरम गरम है,
so the kheer was too hot, so he was afraid that it would burn the tongue of the deity. So the devotee, he put his finger in the kheer, and then his finger got burned.
बोले देखो है, और ऐसे में ठाकुर जी की करे
And
तो एक बूंद भी ठाकुर
so-
जी के बक्सर पड़ गई।
So I think also Thakurji put her finger in the kheer, and then what happened? Thakurji burned his finger, and also because he was like lifting a little bit his finger, then some drop fell of the hot kheer in the chest of Thakurji. So in the chest of Thakurji also there is some like a scar of this burned, like the skin of Thakurji was burned because of the hot kheer.
बाबी वो पुजारी दिखाया ना,
So the pujari shows.
ठाकुर जी के जो है वो वक्षस्थल भी वहीं पर
So in the
थोड़ा
chest of Thakurji also there is it's also burned, and the finger of the deity is also burned.
ऐसे परम भक्त भी कहा जाता
So the great devotee, this was a
है।
great
पर
devotee.
भगवान की ये लोग इस प्रकार सेवा आदि करते हैं।
So serving God like that. And also there's another story of another Brahmana.
कथा है,
It's a famous story
ब्राह्मण
that a Brahmana,
ठाकुर जी की सेवा करते थे,
he used to serve the
इस कारण
deity.
से 2-4 दिन के लिए बाहर जाना था,
But by some reason he had to leave, like he had to go out, like he had to travel something for some days. So who would serve the deity?
5 साल के लड़का था,
So he had a small son of maybe 5 years old.
तो उनके पत्नी बोले लगा
So the wife told, okay, your son can offer the foods to the deity. So Brahmana went, like he had to go somewhere, and then his wife was cooking and told to the son, oh son, offer to the deity.
बोले मैं तो मुझे मंत्र तो आता ही नहीं,
The son told, I don't know which mantra, how to offer, which mantra I have to chant. The mother said, don't worry, just put in front of the deity and tell to the Thakurji, deity, please eat, just eat.
ब्राह्मणी जी ने भोग लग
So the Brahmani wife, she cooked and she gave the plates of the tray, like of the Thakurji food, to the son, and then the son went in front of Thakurji and said, eat Thakurji. So really, Thakurji came down from an altar and started eating. The Thakurji started eating, and then the Thakurji, she made the plate empty, because the Thakurji ate everything really, and then and then the food plate was empty. The tray, the food plate of the deity was completely empty. So the son brought back this empty plate to her mother, his mother. What is the prasad? Then the boy asked, what is the prasad?
माँ सोचने लगे
Then the boy said, "Oh, you gave me the food and to the deity, and I took, and the deity ate." So the mother was thinking,
चल है
my boy is so restless. Maybe he did not properly close the door. Maybe some cat or
जानवर आकर के खा गया।
some animal came and ate the food. No problem. Then the next day,
ब्राह्मणी ने अच्छी तरह
the mother also Brahmani also cooked many kinds of food stuff and gave to her son to offer, and then he went to the altar.
ठाकुर जी खा लो बस बिल्कुल खाली
And also he put the plate also again in front of Thakurji. He didn't do achaman, he didn't do any mantra. Just in a simple way he said, "Thakurji, please eat."
ठाकुर जी खा लो।
Then Thakurji ate.
थाली कैसे दिया?
Then again in the next day he gave to his mother back the plate completely empty.
क्या बात है?
So his mother was thinking, what happened? Then he said, "Oh mother, they ate everything." So in the third day the father came back, his father. So when his father came,
कथा सुनाई।
the wife Brahmani told everything to her husband what
50
happened.
साल से मैं
So the father, like the Brahmana, was saying, for 50 years I chant the Gayatri mantras and I follow all the rules of good behavior and purity and everything.
जप करके ठाकुर जी भोग लगाते
And
हैं।
I always offer,
ठाकुर जी खाने के लिए।
always offer Thakurji, Bhoga to Thakurji, and I've never seen the deity eating like this, like really eating, like this. So,
और हमारे बच्चे के अभी तक तो उपनयन
and my
संस्कार भी नहीं
son
हुआ।
doesn't even have sacred thread yet. He doesn't even know how to do achaman or offer. How Thakurji would eat?
ये नहीं है बच्चा हमें कभी झूठ नहीं बोलता।
The Brahmani, the wife told, "Oh no, but my son wouldn't lie. My son doesn't lie." So the father said, "Okay,
हमारे बेटे का आज बोल देना।
tell my son that again I still didn't come back,
ठाकुर जी के पीछे
and then tell him to offer again, and I'll just." So the Brahmana, the father, he hid behind the deity just to see what would happen. So the son, so the wife cooked, gave to the son again. Son, offer again to the deity.
बालक ने किया कि थाली
So the son put the plate in front of the deity.
कहने ठाकुर जी खा लो।
Please, deity, eat. But today the deity was not coming to eat. So after 2-4 minutes, the boy started crying. He was even like holding the hand, grabbing the hand of Thakurji, trying to pull him down. Like, "Come, Thakurji, come to eat."
ठाकुर जी आ ही नहीं।
But Thakurji was not coming,
पत्थर के वहां
just like some stone,
ठाकुर टस से मस नहीं।
very hard and not moving.
बालक कहने लगे तुम
The boy said,
आज क्या हुआ?
"You ate before, why today you're not eating?
रोना शुरू कर दिया।
I did some offense, what did I do?" Then it started was, the boy was crying so much. If you not eat, my mother will beat me. Please come.
बालक इतने रोने लगे।
So the boy was crying so much. Seeing his cry, him crying, the deity told,
तो मैं हर रोज ग्रहण करता हूँ।
oh boy, yeah, I take every day the food you offer to me. This is true.
किंतु आज
But today I'll not eat. Why? Because your father is hidden behind me. He's hidden behind me. He's hiding behind me. Why? Because your father does not believe you. He does not believe that I'm directly Bhagavan and that I really eat.
भक्ता तुष्यंति माधव माधव भगवान की
Madhava Bhagavan becomes pleased from like he becomes pleased because of our love and affection,
सरल
devotion.
विश्वास का जो
So bhakti means you must have simple faith. Bhakti is nothing
स्वाभाविक बस सरल डेफिनेशन
nothing else. Like what is bhakti? The simple definition of bhakti is
सरल विश्वास
saral vishwas, simple faith. Faith. So seeing your simple faith, I accepted the food you gave me. But your father, although he has all the qualities, he has purity, he knows all the mantras and tantras and everything, but your father has no faith that I am Bhagavan. He doesn't have faith and that I do really eat.
तथापि बालक रोने लगे
So the boy was crying, "Prabhu, please be merciful and eat." Then
ये ठाकुर जी के बार-बार इसको मिनट
so the boy was requesting again and again to the deity humbly, and then
ठाकुर जी नीचे आ गया
deity came down and really ate.
प्रसाद खाने लगे ब्राह्मण आकर के ठाकुर जी बोले तुम सब खा लो तो हम क्या खाएंगे
So the deity was eating, and like the deity was eating everything. Then the Brahmana, the father, came and said, "Deity, if you eat everything and doesn't leave anything in the plate, what will he eat? What are we gonna eat? You know?"
बोले मूर्ख
Then the deity told, "You're foolish.
हैं? बोले मैं ग्रहण करने से समस्त जीव
If I eat something,
तस्मिन् तुष्टे जगत
everybody becomes pleased and satisfied. If I'm satisfied."
ईशावस्य सर्वेनु यत् किंचन जगत तेतन तेन तत्व वंजिता मां गृद्धकर्ष सिद्धं है अरे मेरी ही जो है वस्तु है मैं ग्रहण करता हूँ
So you gave to me and I'm eating.
तो ठाकुर जी ने उसको अभिशाप दिया
So Thakurji gave some curse to this Brahmana. All your dynasty will be destroyed.
केवल यही बच्चा जो
Only your boy, this son, will survive.
कहा जाता है उस वंश के एक ही परिवार बचे रहे, वही बच्चा रहे, बाकी सब
So only this boy became could live. Like only this boy remained alive, and everyone else in the dynasty died.
इस प्रकार ये कथा भी है।
So this story is also there.
और ये साक्षात भगवान विष्णु है,
And so he is Sakshat Bhagavan Vishnu, Alalnath.
है। विशेष करके चैतन्य महाप्रभु जगन्नाथपुरी में रहते थे।
So when Mahaprabhu was staying in Jagannath Puri,
महाप्रभु भाव में विवाहित हो
Mahaprabhu absorbed in Bhav. He was thinking, I am Radha.
और अनेकों दिनों के पश्चात
And after many days in separation, Sudirga Vipralamba, finally I'm meeting my beloved Govinda.
जगन्नाथपुरी में महाप्रभु जब आते थे भाव में विभोर होकर के,
So Mahaprabhu used to come here absorbed in Bhav and crying. Like Mahaprabhu always, he was absorbed in his Bhav and crying. But sometimes this Anavasar Kal, it's 14 days before Ratha Yatra, where in this period the temple of Jagannath remains closed.
हाँ, जो भगवान जो असित लीला आदि करते
When God is making this pastime of becoming sick, like having the cold, so the Jagannath temple is closed at this time.
दुखित होकर
And then Mahaprabhu becomes so upset,
के छोड़ करके यहाँ पर आ जाते थे।
and he leaves Jagannath Puri and comes here. Generally, in this time,
आदि करते थे।
remembering all these leelas,
ठाकुर जी के दर्शन करके महाप्रभु
and Mahaprabhu is
साष्टांग दंडवत करते।
doing Dandavat Pranams, having the darshan of Thakur
महाप्रभु के
ji.
हृदय में इतने विरह की ताप उत्पन्न
Mahaprabhu was feeling so much separation,
ताप के द्वारा आप लोग
fire
देखा
of
ना,
separation in his heart.
भी पिघल गए।
You saw, no? Because of this fire of separation that Mahaprabhu was feeling, this heat in his body, even the stone melted. Have you seen? You saw, no? The melted stones.
उसमें आप लोग ने शायद ध्यान दिया कि
If I don't know if you saw carefully or not, but there are
चिन्ह है,
8 marks, eight holes in the stone, 8 holes.
ये दो घुटनों है
So the 2 knees of Mahaprabhu,
और ये क्या बोलते हैं, कौन कहा देते हैं,
2 elbows,
ये भी है और मतलब ऐसे करके
his head also, the mark of his head
चिन्ह आ
on the stone.
इस प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु
So how Mahaprabhu,
भगवान की विरह में
in separation of Lord,
तड़पते थे।
suffering so much.
यही विरह विप्रलंब भाव
Thank
महाप्रभु यहाँ पर प्रकट
So
किया।
Mahaprabhu manifested this Vipralamba Bhav here,
नौबिना विप्रलंब
Viraha Bhav. Like our acharyas explain,
विप्रलंब बिना मिलन की सौंदर्यता माधुर्यता
without separation, the beauty of the meeting would not manifest.
मिलन के जो है पोषण करते रहते हैं।
So the Vipralamba nourishes the meeting.
इसलिए महाप्रभु यहाँ पर आकर के
So Mahaprabhu came here,
समय जो है यहाँ पर बिताते थे
and he used to spend the time here. And Mahaprabhu used to sit with his devotees. And Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada established this temple here.
और विशेष करके प्रभुपाद यहाँ पर जब आते थे
When Prabhupada used to come,
पर आचमन किया, उसके राधा कुंड स्मरण करते थे।
So,
वृंदावन की स्मृति
when Prabhupada used to come here, he used to remember the leelas of Vrindavana. So we went now before here, we went to one place, the Radha Kunda, we did Achaman, because when Prabhupada used to come here, he used to remember all the leelas of Vrindavana, and like in this mood, he was saying that Kunda was Radha Kunda.
क्योंकि उत्तम भागवत के
Because this is a symptom of Uttam Bhagavat.
जहाँ जहाँ नेत्र पड़े इष्ट देव स्फूर्ति वन देखी भ्रम है ये वृंदावन जहाँ नदी देखे माने कालिंदी महाप्रेमी महाप्रेमे भासी जाए काली। जो महाभागवत जो होते हैं
The Mahabhagavat, he doesn't see any material gross things.
सावर जंगम देखे ना देखे जहाँ जहाँ नेत्र इष्ट देव स्फूर्ति है। कहीं थोड़ा पर्वत देख लिया,
So they see a small mountain and they already remember Giriraj Govardhan, and they do Dandavat Pranams and start dancing and speaking the sloka of the Bhagavatam like this.
ये समस्त उनके लक्षण दिखाई पड़ता है। महाभागवत कैसे
So this is his symptom.
अंताय उद्री अबला हरिदास वर्ज्य जद राम कृष्ण चरण स्पर्श प्रमोदो मानंग तनति सगोप गणे पानीय सुजवश कंदर कंद बोले। वेणुगीत में स्वयं राधा जी
Like in Venugit,
श्लोक जो है स्मरण करने
Srimati Radhika is telling this sloka about Giriraj, so they are remembering these slokas.
इस समस्त स्थान में जब आए
So when Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada came to these places, he was remembering Vrindavan.
यद्यपि ये जगन्नाथपुरी द्वारका की
Actually, Jagannath Puri is a part of Dwarka,
किंतु तथापि
but still,
यहाँ की जो है वृंदावन की सारी स्मृतियां उदित हो जाता है।
here all the remembrance of Vrindavana come.
समुद्र को देख कर यमुना
Just like, for example, Mahaprabhu saw the ocean and was sinking towards Jamuna and jumping in the water.
ये समस्त जो दिखा गया है। यहाँ पर भी एक कथा भी है, भक्तिवेदांत
So another story is also that
इस स्थान पर जब परिक्रमा
when Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, once he was doing parikrama here,
में जो है वो
and then
फल था, क्या बोलते हैं,
there was a fruit in the
केला का फल
forest,
होता है ना,
that fruit which is
लाल लाल फल
very
होता है,
reddish
लाल हो
fruits,
जाता है।
very red when it's ripened. Kundali, yeah, bimba.
बिंब
In
फल
Sanskrit, it's called bimba fruit.
लाल लाल बिंब फल
So when Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada saw this ripened bimba fruit, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, he started thinking about gopis and
उसी चिंतन आदि करते करते मुझसे
and he fainted thinking about the gopis and Srimati Radhika.
सुना जाता है।
So we've heard this about Prabhupada. So this is a transcendental place of Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada. Prabhupada established this place
विशेष करके प्रकाशित
and he manifested the bhava of Mahaprabhu.
के जो राधा जी के जो विरह
So the separation
लीलाओं
mood
के ऊपर प्रकाशित है।
of Srimati Radhika, Mahaprabhu felt here and expressed these moods. So all these Leela Kathas in remembrance of all these Leelas. That's why we come here. What is the meaning of come, or like why do we come to Jagannath Kshetra, like this Jagannath Puri and all these places here?
महाप्रभु की विप्रलंब भाव की स्मरण
To remember the Vipralamba Bhava of Mahaprabhu.
प्रभुपाद
Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada in the Anubhasha he wrote,
क्षेत्र क्या है,
what is Jagannath Kshetra?
विप्रलंब की
Jagannath Puri is
विशेष गहरी स्थान
one very special and important place for the separation. Like Gaura Govinda Maharaj also used to say, at the same time there are two separation moods
एक ही समय प्रकट हो रहे हैं।
in Jagannatha Puri. Krishna Virar Vidur Radha and Radha Virar Vidur Krishna.
जगन्नाथ देव जो है राधा जी के विरह में,
So Shri Jagannatha Devi is suffering separation from Srimati Radhika.
जिसके कृष्ण दिवारात्र रोते जा
So
रहे हैं।
Krishna day and night he's crying.
और चैतन्य महाप्रभु गंभीरा में
Like
रहते
Jagannatha,
हुए
Krishna is crying
राधा
day and
में
night for
विरह
Radha.
होकर के
And Mahaprabhu in the
कृष्ण
mood of
विरह
Radha, she's crying in separation of Krishna. Like Mahaprabhu in the mood of Radha crying separation of Krishna. So Shastra explains, Jagannatha Puri is such a place
उद्दीपन
that's so much stimulation for the Vipralamba mood. So for the sadhaka, the Vipralamba is so important.
विप्रलंब बिना
Without Vipralamba, we cannot do Bhagavat,
विप्रलंब माने विरह,
we cannot do bhajan.
जैसे
So Viraha, separation, and so Viraha Tapa means the fire of separation, so important. Just like, for example,
प्राप्ति करने के लिए उस समय
gold. If you want to get purified gold, like a pure gold, you have to put the gold 100 times in the fire, you know, so that all the impurities of the gold will disappear.
खाद माने जो माने इनपुट से जो रहा जाता है वो निकल जाता है। ठीक उसी
So in the same way,
साधक
the sadhak,
विरह होकर के विरहीन
when he is in separation,
भाव में विवाहित होकर के भजन करे,
doing bhajan, slowly, slowly,
में काम क्रोध
all this calm and clothes, lust and anger from his heart will disappear.
ये विप्रलंब भाव महाप्रभु ने
So
जगत जीव के दर्शन
Mahaprabhu showed this Vipralamba Bhava in this mood, in this world, sorry.
की भजन की प्रणाली
Especially how to do bhajan of Radha Govinda in this separation moods. Vipralamba.
नयनंगल सुधारया बदनं गदगद उरुद्ध गिरा पुलर्क निचितम बपु कदा तब नाम ग्रहणे भविष्यति। शिक्षाष्टक में महाप्रभु ने कहा,
So in Shikshashtaka Mahaprabhu said,
रोते रोते प्रभु के नाम
so how to,
सुधारया बदनं गदगद
we have to chant again and again crying.
भाव में विवाहित है और
And
गला कैसे हो जाएगा, चुप्त हो जाएगा,
and then your throat will be choked.
पुलर की और शरीर में पुलकित है।
And then your hair is standing on end. That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur says,
कबे हबे बोलो सिद्धि नाम है। ये कीर्तन में लिखते हैं, ये कृष्ण नाम ग्रहण करते करते मेरा चित्त द्रवीभूत हो जाए।
So chanting names of Krishna, my heart will melt.
मणि करी दया छड़ाई बे मोर विषय माया दिया मुझे निज निज चरण छाया नामेर हाटेते दिव्यन अधिकार। भक्तिवेदांत ठाकुर कीर्तन करते हैं,
Bhaktivinoda Thakur explains in the Kirtan,
मुझे अधिकार प्रदान करेंगे, नाम ग्रहण के अधिकार।
when Nityananda
नाम
Prabhu
ग्रहण के अधिकारी कौन है?
will give me the eligibility to chant holy names. What is the eligibility to chant holy names? Trinanda Pisune Chanata Vedivasa
कीर्तनिया सदा हरि। ये नाम ग्रहण के अधिकार कौन
So,
देंगे?
who will give me this qualification, eligibility to chant holy names? Baladeva Prabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, Gurupada Padma.
अमार अपराध छाड़ी शुद्ध नामे रुचि कृपा बले होबे हृदय संचार। कवे नित्यानंद मरे करी दया छड़ाइबे मोर विषयेर माया दिया निज चरणेर छाया नामेर हटेरे दिवेन अधिकार। नाम हट्ट में, हट्ट मैंने हाट बाजार में, नाम रूपी बाजार में हम कौन अधिकार देंगे? बाजार जाने के अधिकार कौन देंगे? खरीदने के कौन
who
अधिकार?
will give us this eligibility to buy something in this market of the holy names? Nityananda Prabhu.
विषयेर माया छड़िया विषयेर माया, जब तक हमारे विषय की
So
रहता है
until we are like enjoying sense gratification,
प्रभु जिया में उदित नहीं।
these pure holy names will not manifest in our tongue.
मरे करी दया छड़ाइबे मोर विषयेर माया, माया माने आसक्ति।
Maya means the attachments.
विषय में जो आसक्ति जो है,
So these attachments to
यही तो
material
माया।
things, this is Maya.
मैं और मेरा तेरू तेरा,
My and mine, you and yours. In the Ramcharitamanas, Tulsidas Goswami explains,
मेरा ये तेरा,
what is Maya? This is mine, this is yours.
अहंगति ममेति इति माया।
I and mine, you and yours. Like,
यही अहंगति
this is mine, this is
ममेति को छोड़
yours.
करके कब
So,
हम
when will be able to leave all these, give up these and do bhajan? How?
अपनी इच्छा से आप छोड़ नहीं
From
पाएंगे।
your own desire, you cannot leave, give up these things.
उसके छड़ान कौन छुड़ाएंगे?
Who can make you give up
नित्यानंद प्रभु
these things, like
नित्यानंद
leave these things?
मरे
Only
करी
Nityananda
दया,
Prabhu.
छड़ाइबे मोर विषयेर माया दिया निज चरणेर छाया नामेर हटेरे दिवेन अधिकार। है राम नाम रूपी बाजार में
So in this Namarupi Bazaar means this market of holy names will give us eligibility. Like for example, in a market, you buy something or you exchange something
नाम
or
की
something.
क्रय विक्रय क्या है?
So what is the like
शुद्ध
a
नाम।
price or how to buy, how to get these pure holy names in this market
पहले
of
हम
holy
जो नाम
names?
करते हैं, उसके कहते हैं अपराध युक्त
First
नाम
we are
होता है।
chanting holy names with offenses, aparada yukta nam.
नामाभास,
Then we
फिर
chant
शुद्ध नाम।
namabas and then
तो
shuddha
उसी
nam.
प्रकार ये शुद्ध
So in
नाम
this
आदि
way,
कब होगा?
when we'll be able to
ना
chant
हम
the
जब
pure holy names?
संत
When
महात्मा संग आदि करेंगे।
we get the association of the Shuddha Bhaktas, the pure devotees,
नाम संकीर्तन,
and Namasankirtana.
साधु संग में बैठ करके
Sitting in association
नाम
of sadhus,
संकीर्तन आदि
and we
करने
do
पर
Namasankirtana and chant
धीरे-धीरे
holy
हमारे
names,
हृदय में
then slowly,
प्रेम
prema will manifest in our
ये
hearts.
समस्त जो विचार आदि
So
दिखाया
all
गया,
these conceptions we've
इसलिए
seen,
भक्ति सिद्धांत
so that's why Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada,
अनेक जगह में प्रचार
he,
केंद्र
he
मंदिर आदि
created many
प्रतिष्ठा
centers
किया,
and temples in many different
जिससे
places,
सब अपने लाभ उठाए।
so that everybody could
तो
get
आज
benefit
पहले
from that.
जितने भी
So
भजन प्रणाली
before
देखा जाता है,
Prabhupada, all the
सब
bhajana
क्या था?
pranalis we see,
भजनानंदी थे।
everybody was bhajananandi
अपने
before
भजन में
Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada. Everybody was
ये
absorbed
आ
in their
जाता है,
own
हम
bhajan.
कथा हरि कथा
Those
बोलते
who
थे,
came,
नहीं तो अपने
like
भजन में
if someone comes to the sadhu, then they speak Harikatha to that person. Otherwise, they'll be just absorbed in their own spiritual life, in their own bhajan.
शंखा प्रभु का नाम गण नति भी काल अवसान कृतो निद्रा आहार विहार गति विजितुं चत्त दिनो चजु राधा कृष्ण गुण स्मृते मधुरिमानंदेन सन्मोहितो वंदे रूप सनातनो रघुजुगो श्रीजीव गोपाल को। थर्ड गोस्वामी अष्टमी हम गोस्वामी लोग
So in the Shat
इस
Goswami
प्रकार
Astakam,
भजन करते थे।
we see how the Goswamis used to do bhajan.
इन लोग के भजन की कहा जाता है भजनानंदी, अपने भजन में आनंद रहा।
So they were bhajananandi, only absorbed in their own bhajan and absorbed.
किंतु प्रभुपाद ने क्या किया?
But Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta, he changed this.
अधिक कल्याण करने के
Like
लिए
to benefit all the jivas, he established the path of Goshtanandi.
मठ मंदिर आदि स्थापना
So establishing temples and
जीवों के लेकर के आए और उनके जबरदस्ती
bringing these jivas, even if they have anarthas, and like by forcing them, engaging them in Bhagavad Seva and Bhagavad Katha.
मठ मंदिर आदि
So he established temples, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada,
जीवों के
and
लेकर के आए
bringing these jivas with anarthas and like forcefully engaging them in Bhagavad Seva and chanting holy names
लगाते हैं, भगवत सेवा में लगाते हैं।
and engaging them in the service of Lord. So Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada,
अनेक मठ मंदिर
he established
और विशेष करके
many
ग्रंथ आदि
temples
प्रकाशन
and also manifested books.
बृहत मृदंग
This is called Brihad Mridanga Seva.
ये सबसे बड़े सेवा
This is the greatest service.
यह बृहत मृदंग आदि ग्रंथ आदि प्रकाशित किया,
So he manifested
मंदिर आदि प्रकाशित करके
many books also and also temples to attract the people.
हाथी के पकड़ने के लिए जैसे
So catch the elephants, the she elephant.
जैसे वो संग दे करके लेकर के आती है,
So to attract, to capture the male elephants, the she elephant comes like pretending that she's gonna associate with him,
और अंत में गड्ढा में डाल
and in the end the male elephant comes and falls in the
हाथी को पकड़ना
hole,
कैसे?
in the ditch.
उसके
How
लिए
to catch
हाथी
a
को
male
सिखाया
elephant?
जाता है।
First you have to hunt
हाथी ने क्या
a female
करते हैं?
elephant.
जंगल में
Then
और उनके हाथी के संग सुख
so they put the female elephant like in front of the male elephant,
करने के लिए
and then
हाथी उसके दल में आ
the
जाता है।
male elephant, thinking he's gonna enjoy with the female elephant, he comes like attracted to her,
उनके झुंड आ जाता है और
following
पुरुष
her.
हाथी जब आ जाते हैं
That when he comes,
तो वो
the
शिकारी क्या
male
करते हैं,
elephant,
बड़ा
the
एक
hunter, actually
गड्ढा
makes
खोद करके रखता
first already he digs a big ditch, like a
और
big
वो
hole,
हथिनी जो है
and
वो
then
ट्रेंड इस प्रकार
the
है
female elephant is trained
जब हाथी जब
in
उनके
such a
पास आ
way
जाते
that
हैं
when the
वो
elephant
थोड़ा
comes
अपने
near
पैर के
her,
द्वारा पुश कर देते हैं माने
she pushes him a little bit with
और वो
her
हाथी क्या
leg,
करता है गड्ढा में
and
गिर
then the
जाता
male elephant falls in the
है
ditch.
फिर धीरे धीरे
And
2-4
then
दिन उसे खाना पीना नहीं होने से
without eating
वो
for
हाथी
2 or
क्या
4
इन्वॉल्व
days,
हो जाता है फिर धीरे धीरे उनके
without eating or drinking for 2 4 days, the male elephant becomes very very weak, and
गड्ढा से
then
ऊपर उठा करके
then
ले
the
जाते हैं फिर उसको सिखाया जाता है ट्रेनिंग
then the hunters, like those who are hunting the elephant, then they can take him easily out of the, like, with not easily but with in a more in like easier way, they can take the elephant out of the ditch and like teach him, train him, whatever
तात्पर्य क्या
they
है
use the elephant for.
ये
So
संसार के जीव
the meaning
मायाबद्ध
is
जीव
that
भगवत भजन
the
नहीं करेंगे
jivas of this world, they don't
मठ
want to do
मंदिर आदि
Bhagavad
स्थापना
Bhajan.
आदि करके
So if
अनर्थग्रस्त हस्ती रूपी अनर्थग्रस्त जीवों की क्या करें इसी प्रकार ट्रेनिंग दिया जा रहा है
so by establishing the temples and everything, these jivas full of anarthas, which are like these elephants, they become trained.
हैं? आज समझिए
They train, understand?
जय हो इसलिए प्रभुपाद ने
That's why Prabhupada,
समस्त मठ
he
मंदिर आदि
established all these
विग्रह
temples
प्रतिष्ठा
and also deities
और
and
ग्रंथ आदि प्रकाश
books also he
ये किया।
manifested, and
ये सब लीला कथा को श्रवण समस्त प्रकार की भजन की व्यवस्था भी करते हैं
so he arranged
भजन
everything
और
for
साथ
bhajan.
साथ भोजन की व्यवस्था भी
Also he arranged bhajan and bhojan also, like a spiritual life and also food.
कोई तो ब्रह्मचारी बाहर तो भिक्षा में नहीं जाते हैं कुछ
So now in the lockdown times, no brahmachari is going outside for bhiksha, like for asking donation or anything.
करते नहीं। तो सब मठ मंदिर में भजन चल रहे कि नहीं चल रहे
But still
कहाँ से
there,
आ रहे हैं
but still we can see in the temples, still food is going on, like still there is food in the temple. Still there is like food in the temples, our temples, even though the brahmacharis are not going for bhiksha, like for asking, begging alms nowadays. So where is this food coming from? You can see
7-8 महीने हो गया
7-8 months already that this lockdown is going
बाहर
on.
में कहीं जाना नहीं है।
Nobody's going outside or
हाँ समझे
Understand?
लेकिन भोजन हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा
but the food is still going on or
आप कितने
not?
महीने जगन्नाथपुरी में रह रहे हैं
For how long have you been in
महीने
Jagannath Puri? For 8 months,
हैं?
na?
पुरी के वो आप जगन्नाथ क्या बोले नवद्वीप परिक्रमा के बाद से
After Navadvip Parikrama, I think you came here, na?
तो यहाँ पर भोजन की व्यवस्था है कि
But there was arrangement of food or not here?
चक्षा मिल रहा है
Very delicious food or not? Yes, you got.
क्योंकि भगवान के
Because
भजन करने पर
when you do Bhagavad Bhajan, when you worship Krishna,
सब अपने आप व्यवस्था हो
everything else is already arranged and like
कहाँ
managed
से आ रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं
to you.
जो मठ चलाने वाले वही जानते हैं
What is coming or how is coming? Those who manage the temple, they know.
हमें क्या पता है
But I don't know, or we don't know
हाँ?
about it.
हाँ भूखमारी नहीं हुई महामारी तो हुई किंतु भूखमारी
Okay, so there was a pandemic, but not let's say like not a foodemic, like there was not like catastrophe or some calamity of food. There was a pandemic, yes, but it was not like some foodemic or like this word doesn't exist, but just like there was not any problem about food.
बाहर में कहीं नहीं है
So nobody's going outside.
इतने व्यवस्था कर दिया
Everywhere there's so much arrangement of food. Even now in Mathura, in Parikrama, we were in Parikrama there.
इतने लोग दान दे रहे हैं
So many people giving donation, feeding everyone and like giving water and giving juice to everyone,
हाँ, जूस तक पिला रहे हैं मिठाई बांट
and
रहे हैं,
also distributing sweets.
सभी व्यवस्था कर
Everybody, everything was arranged.
जो है
Only one thing:
हम भगवान के कैसे भजन करें
how can you do Bhagavad Bhajan?
गृहस्थ लोग अपने परिवार पालन करने के लिए कितने कठोर
The grihastas, they have to endeavor so much to
संत महात्मा वास
keep their families.
सब कुछ हो जाता है भजन हो जाता
But the sadhus, they just sit down and everything's arranged for them.
है गृहस्थ लोग
So the
अपने
grihastas,
परिवार पालन
to
करने
keep
के
their
लिए कितना
families,
कठोर परिश्रम करते
to sustain their families, they must do hard work.
हैं। और संत महात्मा वास बैठ
But the saints, they just sit down
सब कुछ हो जाता है
and everything happens and is arranged for them.
भजन की यही दिखा दो
So this is bhajan.
भगवान के भजन कर इसलिए गीता में भगवान
So,
कहते हैं अनन्य
in Gita Bhagavan says,
पुर्जुपासते तेसा नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेम काम तो इसलिए निष्कपट होकर के
so without the pleased and hypocrisy, we should do Bhagavad Bhajan. Gaura Premanandi.
आगे हम लोग चले
So now let's go.
अभी जो कोरोना की ऐसे जो चल रहे हैं, महामारी चल रही है,
because now
उसको
this
भी
coronavirus pandemic
ध्यान
is
देते
going
हुए
on, you have to also give
और
attention
कोविड-19 रूल्स को
and follow the
यथावत
COVID-19
फॉलो करते
rules.
हुए, मास्क आदि धारण करते हुए, सोशल
Keep some social
आदि
distancing
रात करके हम भी चले, जिससे समाज, राष्ट्र सबकी भी कल्याण,
so that the society and everybody can benefit from that. Just one comment, like something I want to say. Those who are listening, just some like minutes before, I did translation of Sweta Ganga Parikrama, but because the video was freezing and I thought the kata had finished it, I stopped the broadcast. But later on, in that video of Sweta Ganga, Gurudev spoke about one more thing about Sweta Ganga, and I translated that in the description of the video. If you see the English translation video on my dear most Gurudev page, the translation of Sweta Ganga. So I put in the description of the video the like transcribed what Gurudev said later. It was very small thing, so I'll just say here, those who want to listen, but just because it was my mistake, I'm so sorry. So what happened is Gurudev said Sweta Ganga. Swet means Sweta is the name of a king actually, and his story is very beautiful because this king used to serve the Dakurji of Jagannath so well and so much. But one day the demigods also came and offered many kinds of food to Jagannath, like delicious food, many preparations. And then this king was so upset, thinking, "Oh, now that all these devatas, demigods came with their offerings, Jagannatha will not accept my offering. He will only accept the offering of the demigods because my offering is so simple and is like from material world, like nothing special, like compared to the demigods from Swarga and everything." So the king was so upset. But when the king opened the altar, like the door, he saw that Jagannatha was directly eating everything that he had prepared for him. So then this king, his Sweta, his name, he also did that pond before, right? So that's the explanation of Sweta. And okay, Jai Shri Gurudev ki Jai.